Hey y'all, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare&Pressure washing. Hey, check out my shirt, y'all. I was out there giving quotes today, trying to look professional, you know what I mean? I am excited today. Again, I just sent a video about my truck getting seen on the road. Somebody got my phone number off my truck. It was awesome for lawn care. But what's in that box is gonna excite me. So Mike from the Fresh Rinse, I hope you're watching this, all right? Because I'm about to unbox my sign. So the Fresh Rinse, Mike, he makes these signs right here, these sandwich signs, okay, for like pressure washing, like caution, pressure washing in progress, overspray may cause stains, and I have her phone number and everything on there. I didn't have a decal, but he was very patient with me, so I kept on going back, texting him, making changes, and I got the sign Tuesday. I hit the button, purchased it. Got it today, Saturday, y'all. Okay, a 4-day turnaround, all right? I'm about to unbox it right now. Let's see this. Hey, Mike, thank you. Watch for your hands when you cut. Oh, let's open it this way. See here. Open it like this. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at it, y'all. Step back, Aiden. I got Aiden filming. I could use it yesterday because I was like in an area. I was doing a pressure washing a driveway, and all these cars just like passing by, taking a picture, like watching what I was doing and taking a picture of my truck. But I wish I had the sign yesterday, but I got it now. Check it out, y'all. So when I'm out there on the job, I should have bought two. I was gonna stand it like that. There's the back. See that, Aiden? And let me get a shot from Mike. Like this. How about like this? Hey, Mike, appreciate the sign, brother. It looks good. It looks amazing. Caution: pressure washing in progress. Overspray will spot clothing. Watch out for ground hazards. We get free estimates. 910-939-9020. Mike, I love it. Hey everyone, look up Mike, the Fresh Rinse on YouTube, and get your sign. Hey Mike, God bless you, brother. Thank you. Hey everyone, see you on the next video. Bye.